Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 4 quiz assignment of the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithms using Python. Guys, these are completely our probable solutions, but we have tested 100% of these solutions guys before giving the solutions. So if you want to suggest, you can give your own solutions. And if I get any update regarding any solution change, definitely we'll update from our end as well. So before final submission, once again check the comment section. But 100% our solutions are tested before giving the solutions for this assignment guys. So let's see the first question. Consider the following Python function. So mystery takes a list as a parameter. So this is the program or code they have given. They are asking when a list 22, 14, 19, 65, 82, and 55. So if this list of integers is passed within the mystery function, so what is the value that it will return? So for this first question we have got the answer, so type along with us guys. So a square bracket 19 comma 65. So for your convenience I am zooming this. 19, 65, 14, 82, 22, finally 55. So this is the solution. So the square brackets are mandatory guys. So 19, 65, 14, 82, 22, and 15, 55, sorry. So this is the correct answer, right? Next, second question. What is the value of triples? Triples is a variable here, so it's a list actually after the following assignment. So this is the code they have given. Guys, definitely subscribe our channel guys. If we upload any videos, you'll get notification if you click the bell icon as well. And definitely like the video guys. This is the main step, because if you like the video, it will reach further more students so that they will also get benefited like you, right? So definitely like the video and please share this with your friends and classmates in your WhatsApp unofficial college student groups. So for second question, note it down guys. So 2 comma 4 comma 5 comma 3 comma 3 comma 5 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6. So this is the output case, right? Guys, this is the answer. Note it down. So I have zoomed it for you and taken it in the notepad because it is not sufficient. There is no sufficient space in the given field. So this is the answer case. So you can pause the video or you can take a screenshot of this. Now let's move on to the next question without making any late. So third question guys. So this is a dictionary actually, key value pairs. So they are asking the question, which of the following statements does not generate an error? So for third question, second option is the probable one guys. So mark third option as the probable solution, second option as the probable solution for third question. Next, fourth one, assume that inventory. So inventory is a, here curly brackets or flower brackets they have given, so it is a dictionary, right? So inventory has been initialized as an empty dictionary. So which of the following generates an error? So after testing that, we have got the answer as third option guys. So third option will generate an error, right? So these four are the solutions guys. Now let's move on to the programming assignment as well, right? So week 4 programming assignment guys. So programming assignment. So we have two programs here. So first one, rain average is the function we have to use, and for second there is list type and flatten methods, functions. So these two methods we use in the second question. So I will show you the code now for the first program. So you will confuse if you see all the code now itself. So I'm showing the first question code. So this is the first question code, guys. So you can take a screenshot. So this is the first question code. So you can take a screenshot of this. So don't forget to give the indentations, guys. So once check how we have given the indentation and don't miss even any single character, guys. It will definitely impact your program. Okay. Now let's see the, guys, here it is small, it's letter L, guys, not 1. This is 1 because the integer will be given in, or will be shown in green color, whereas this is the normal character small l, right? So find the difference here. So now I will move on to the second program. You can take a screenshot, guys, if needed. So hope you got this. So flatten method we have used in previously we have told two methods will be used in the second program, flatten and list type, right? So note this one, guys. So do follow the indentation rules and give the spaces wherever needed. Definitely follow the indentation, guys, otherwise you'll get whole program wrong. So this def function will be declared with def, right? So it should be in the same line for the first program as per the first program, right? Hope you have noted it down. You can take a screenshot of this. Now let's see the status, guys. Clicking on the compile and run button here. Now let's see the output, whether it is matching or not. So here you can see compilation is passed. Public test cases 6 by 6 passed. You can see all the status are passed. Here it is giving the status as passed after ignoring presentation error. Actually, this presentation error is not error, guys. It is just giving a slash n. So next line character is printing along with the expected output. So it is not a problem. So our solution is passed. So you have to see this only. 100% correct. Now let's click on submit button to check private test cases as well, right? Now let's see this. So here you can see all the test cases are passed, private test cases as well. So our solution is 100% correct, right? So friends, these are the solutions for week 4 assignment of the course programming data structures and algorithms using Python. So hope this video helpful for you guys. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, definitely like the video, guys, and definitely share this with your friends and classmates. So that's it, guys, for this video. So keep supporting us like this forever. So until the next video, goodbye.